The modern farmhouse look for your kitchen begins with choosing the best farmhouse sink on the market and designing around it. However, once you start to plan out your renovations, you'll notice how many options there are in regards to apron-front style sinks, from copper to stainless steel, Fireclay, and more. It can become overwhelming pretty quickly. Fret not, we've researched and discovered the 10 top-rated farmhouse sinks as well as the worst one to avoid. And now for the Freshness.com reviews of the 10 best farmhouse sinks, plus the worst one to avoid. Coming in at number 1, Antica Farmhouse Apron-front Copper Kitchen Sink, Single Bowl by Zuhne. If you're bored of the same stainless steel sinks and want to change, buy this sink. The Antica Farmhouse Apron-front Copper Kitchen Sink, Single Bowl by Zuhne is made from copper, and it will bring a huge difference to your kitchen's appearance. Installing this sink will ensure you impress anyone who's entered your kitchen. The sink has an extra deep bowl that makes washing dishes even easier. This sink is handmade and is also easy to maintain and is well soundproofed. Made by Zuhne, a premium brand known for its high-quality kitchen sinks, this product is beautiful and built to last. Should you purchase it, installation is by Undermount. It comes with a lifetime warranty and 24-hour customer support. Coming in at number 2, Zuhne 33-inch Farmhouse Apron Deep Single Bowl 16-gauge stainless steel luxury kitchen sink. This sink is one of the best sellers, made from stainless steel, also by the premium brand Zuhne. It's the sink of choice for architects doing upscale projects. With that in mind, you should also go for what professionals recommend for their clients. The Zuhne 33-inch Farmhouse Apron Deep Single Bowl 16-gauge stainless steel luxury kitchen sink is definitely stylish and will brighten up your kitchen. Its bowl is deep enough for you to clean large pots easily and is also scratch resistant. This farmhouse sink has amazing sound technology which effectively cancels noise from daily use. For buying it, you get some freebies. The sink comes with a 3-piece basket strainer, scratch prevention bottom grate, and a proprietary sponge holder. It also includes a super absorbent towel, mounting hardware, template, and manual to save you time and money looking for parts. The sink would be a good addition to your kitchen. Whether your kitchen design is traditional or modern, this sink will fit in with your farmhouse style. It's the best farmhouse sink for the money. Coming in at number 3, Apron-front 16-gauge kitchen sink, Single Bowl by Ruvati. Ever seen a sink that you can use as a chopping board? Well, this one from Ruvati will make you do just that and more. The Apron-front 16-gauge kitchen sink, Single Bowl by Ruvati comes with a deep stainless steel colander, a convenient dish drying rack that can slide into your sink to be used as a workspace, and a solid wood cutting board. The cutting board is made from African mahogany and will not be affected by water. The sink itself is made from 16-gauge premium T304 grade stainless steel. This material doesn't rust or strain. If it does, so the limited lifetime warranty the sink comes with should cover it. Unlike other stainless steel sinks with a satin finish, this one has a brushed finish. The finish helps hide many scratches made on the sink, so scratching shouldn't be a concern for you if you're a bit rough when cleaning the pans and pots. The sink, thick rubber padding, and heavy-duty sound guard ensure you experience no noise when you're doing your dishes. Looking to learn more about the best farmhouse kitchen sinks in this review? View the links in the description section and click to learn more. Coming in at number 4, Luxury 30-inch Pure Fireclay Modern Farmhouse Kitchen Sink by Fossil Blue. If you're looking for the classic style and character in a sink, this should do it for you. Just as the name suggests, this is a luxurious sink made from Fireclay. The Fireclay used is the best quality sourced exclusively from Italy, France, and Israel, where the purest white clay is found. The sink is definitely beautiful and very well made. Sold in colors, white designs, the sink can match into different kitchen styles. If you're looking for the best Fireclay farmhouse sink, and your budget isn't tight, you'll love this sink. It will also ensure you impress guests who walk into your kitchen. Installation for this great sink is by Undermount. The luxury 30-inch pure Fireclay modern farmhouse kitchen sink by Fossil Blue comes with a stainless steel drain and installation guide. Coming in at number 5, Firebird 33-inch by 22-inch by 9-inch Apron Farmhouse Handmade stainless steel single bowl kitchen sink. If you're looking for a sink that is durable and gives you the ability to do large dish loads, this will be the perfect addition to your farmhouse kitchen. There are so many things that make this one of the best farmhouse sinks. Firebird 33 by 22 by 9-inch Apron Farmhouse Handmade stainless steel single bowl kitchen sink is made from flawless 304 grade stainless steel, which is easy to clean. Its 3.5-inch drain at the rear center of the sink allows for fast and easy removal for water when you're washing dishes. The sink has insulating rubber at the bottom to minimize vibrations and noise, offering a better cleaning experience. If you're renovating or want to upgrade your sink, this is one option you should consider. This sink comes with a drain strainer kit, adjustable tray, and all hardware needed for installation. Coming in at number 6, Undermount Farmhouse Kitchen Sink Apron-front by VIGO. The manufacturers of this sink are based in the United States. They're leading producers of luxury kitchen and bath products. Their sinks are known for exceptional designs and durability. If brand names are what you consider before you buy a product, then you've got a good brand in VIGO. The Undermount Farmhouse Kitchen Sink Apron-front by VIGO is made from madder stone. This gives it an impressive look. The material will never chip and is stain resistant. Fires or chemicals can also not damage the matte surface of this sink. To have that perfect kitchen look, you can pair your sink with a VIGO faucet and soap dispenser. If you buy this sink, it will be delivered to you with an embossed VIGO cutting board and custom stainless steel strainer. The sink is easily installed in apron, undermount, sink, and flush mount configurations. Coming in at number 7, Sinkology Farmhouse Single Bowl Copper Kitchen Sink with Scroll Design. This sink is also made from copper. Copper sinks are attractive and will help you make a statement through your farmhouse kitchen. With time, copper ages beautifully, giving your kitchen sink a luxurious look. The Sinkology Farmhouse Single Bowl Copper Kitchen Sink with Scroll Design has some embossed scroll work on the front apron. The scroll is handcrafted from pure solid copper and will make the sink stand out in your kitchen. Handmade from 16-gauge pure solid copper, the sink is definitely worth its price because of its uniqueness. Been handmade sinks, no two can be the same. So you will have a one-of-a-kind sink in your kitchen, and the great thing is Sinkology copper sinks will not turn green with typical indoor use. Coming in at number 8, Adams Farmhouse Apron-front Handmade Copper Kitchen Sink 33-inch Single Bowl by Antica by Sinkology. This is one of the best single bowl farmhouse sinks on the market because it's easy to clean and maintain. Handmade from copper, it's designed to go with any kitchen design. The copper color gives the sink an antique and rustic appearance, which will grab people's attention when they walk into your kitchen. The Adams Farmhouse Apron-front Handmade Copper Kitchen Sink 33-inch Single Bowl and Antique Copper by Sinkology will not turn green when you use it and is highly functional. Did I mention that it is high quality yet affordable? That's right, this sink comes with a large single bowl. It's friendly on your pockets as well. This large bowl will make it easy to clean dishes and prepare your food to cook. You can't be disappointed if you buy this sink for your home. Coming in at number 9, Latoscana 30-inch Reversible Fireclay Farmhouse Sink. This sink is reversible. You could choose to have it installed with the decorative fluted design or the smooth front apron side. Made from Fireclay, the sink is definitely durable. Fireclay, which is a blend of clay and glaze, also ensures the sink doesn't scratch or stain. Latoscana 30-inch Reversible Fireclay Farmhouse Sink also won't chip or crack. If you usually place your hot pots in the sink, you'll be happy to know this sink is heat resistant. You'll also be glad to know that this sink doesn't rust or fade, so you can buy it assured it will have its vibrant white color for a lifetime. This makes the best farmhouse white kitchen sink to buy. The single bowl is deep and large and will make cleaning your dishes fun and easier. Coming in at number 10, Stainless Steel Farmhouse Apron Double Bowl Kitchen Sink by Mowa. This double bowl sink is made of 16 gauge stainless steel. This material makes it a contender for the most durable farmhouse sink. One of the issues with stainless steel sinks is they can be loud. Cutlery will make annoying sounds when you clean in a steel sink, and it can be annoying. The stainless steel Farmhouse Apron Double Bowl Kitchen Sink by Mowa, however, is noise insulated with a 3mm extra thick cushion pad to minimize any potential clanging. With the Skins double basin, you can do your cleaning faster. Place your dirty dishes in one basin and clean them in the other. You'll be done in no time. The deep basins also allow you to clean larger utensils without any problems. This farmhouse sink will look great in your kitchen. Buying it will see you receive some free accessories as well. They include 2 deluxe 3.5-inch drains, 2 sets of 3-piece basket strainers, and a set of 50/50 scratch prevention stainless steel bottom grid. The mounting hardware and manual for easy installation are also included. Finding this review educational and entertaining? If so, please like this video and leave a comment below with your favorite farmhouse sink. Click the subscribe button and tap the notification bell to receive fresh weekly video updates. And now for the Freshness.com farmhouse sinks to avoid. Comllen 36-inch Handmade Apron Single Bowl 16 gauge stainless steel undermount farmhouse sink. There's nothing much to say about the Comllen 36-inch Handmade Apron Single Bowl 16 gauge stainless steel undermount farmhouse sink. It's a standard stainless steel sink that you should be aware is prone to easily scratch. If you're looking for something unique, this won't be the one for you. This sink is not the best in terms of price, and there are better farmhouse sinks available on the market. We believe this is the worst farmhouse sink on the market, and you should avoid this farmhouse sink. And now for the Freshness.com final thoughts on buying the best farmhouse sink. The kitchen has become more than a place to cook. People spend more time there catching up and sharing meals, so you want your farmhouse kitchen looking good. After this review, you should be able to find the best farmhouse sink for your kitchen, making it more stunning and a place to enjoy cooking and cleaning as well as enjoying family and friends. Looking to learn more about the best farmhouse kitchen sinks in this review? View the links in the description section and click to learn more. Did you find this review educational and entertaining? If so, please like this video and leave a comment below with your favorite farmhouse sink. Click the subscribe button and tap the notification bell to receive fresh weekly video updates.